on there. Come on, go fast. Like, go in front. What are you taking my side? Go there. Where are you taking it? Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Top Setup Recipes. Today I am going to make poi and red pumpkin curry. So come on, let us see. I am going to take some poi saag from here. Show it that side. Go close. Show it to me also. This is the Poi Saag. You can see how nice it's looking. So one lady, she's cutting it for me. Put it up. Ready? This is the Poi Saag. I will make this into a curry. साग नहीं गई साग साग कैसे तोड़ेगा Friends, this is the church. I came to church here in the morning. Now I'm going back home. So I brought some puri from the church only. What is it? You can see here the poi saag. I've already cut the poi saag. You can see. And here this is the red pumpkin. I'm going to make both. I'm going to mix it and make it. And put some potatoes also. So come on. I will cut this first. And then do the recipe. Okay. To make the Poi Dingla, I will put some mustard oil. Put some panch foran. Put the cut up onion. Onions are gone brown. Now I will put in the red pumpkin. Put in the potatoes. Put in the poi saag. Put in the salt. Put some chili powder. Put some jeera powder. Put some dhania powder. Put some turmeric powder. Cover it up and let it cook for a little while. Put one cut up tomato. Potatoes are not cooked, so I will put some water. Potatoes are hard, not cooked properly. I will put some water till the potatoes cook tender. I will let the water dry. The Poi Dingla recipe is ready to be eaten.